What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so we are looking for the vertical asymptote here. So the first thing I should do is go ahead and factor this. The top can't factor, but the bottom can. So the first thing is that I have a GCF of x, leaving me at 25 minus x squared, which this is the difference of two squares. Awesome. So again, I can go further with this, which is going to be 5 minus x and 5 plus x. And I should probably put parentheses around this right here. Now, if I look at this, what's going to happen is, actually, you know what? Let me rewrite this really quick, because I know the fact that this factor and this factor are the same except for that there is a -1. So why don't I go ahead and factor out a -1 from here, okay? So this is not going to be x minus 5. This is going to be, let me factor out -1. And now there's going to be a 5 minus x, okay? Now, typically I set the denominator equal to 0. But what I know is that since this right here will cancel out, right? And at 5 minus x equal to 0, I have x is equal to 5. At x equals 5, it's going to be a whole. Okay, now the x itself, even though it's the x, wow, I don't know what I just did there, but okay, the x, when I say that is equal to 0, that is where there's going to be a vertical asymptote. And same thing here. If I do 5 plus x is equal to 0, same thing, x is going to equal -5. Oops. And there's going to be a vertical asymptote there as well. Okay? So with that being said, I have my two vertical asymptotes, but this one here is a whole because it would cancel out. And why would that be? The answer for that is that after I cancel this out, my final equation is going to be -1 over x times x, 5 plus x, right? So if you look at this right here, there is no 5 minus x anymore. So that's the reason why it's a whole and not necessarily a vertical asymptote, okay? So that's the reason why, all right? So in this case, my vertical asymptote is going to occur at x equals 0 and x equals -5, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is choice B. And there we go. Any questions, let me know. Later. Bye.